The RUDA date chart of Mr. Barafinda's steps to the presidency. This chart clarifies very well, excellently, the RUDA working systems being natural in nature. This RUDA system and style is the first in the history of mankind. RUDA takes her place the first in the whole world. RUDA hits the headlines. Since RUDA hits the headlines in all news of all directions, in all campus directions, RUDA is the new world political party, as Barafinda gonna be the new president, the new president in the presidency. People shall gather in millions and millions in such a way that none can estimate them in number. This shall be the first and the vast crowd, including many heads of the states, including many heads of state. The queens in this world shall participate. Prime ministers from hither and yon globally, the vice presidency of the world, and as very many visitors of different rankings shall have to attend, and as honored guests from all the world countries in all world continents. shall watch shall be very attentive to every step at all the corners of flagpoles of the whole world, and this of the RUDA. RUDA is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advances for 200 good many causes. Therefore, the inspection and this inspection of the guard of honor the long service and the fly past by RUDA aircrafts will bring to the climax of the most exciting and momentous and common period in the world history and in the records of man's history and earthly history. Whereby Rwanda is going to be packed with the visitors from all over the world, where world different flags, inclusive the RUDA flag, can be seen and shall be seen, and at that or this very day, the number of the happiest people shall come together. And this will be the first World Stadium ceremony where people shall seem as if they are celebrating the first Earth and world independence, fills the new headlines in the news. News from north, east, west, and south of Rwanda, East Africa, Africa, and the entire world, where we shall have the world guests and their planes shall be received in all the airports around the Great Lakes region states. This shall be to stamp in the world international friendship for all, where Mr. Barafinda, I, the R2UDA president, shall command the world news reporters, the routers, to extract everything, every idea from local newspapers proclaiming the news, the real news. And on the behalf of all the world readers, all together respectively, shall be in the moments of unusual, where by the entire world public opinion here in East Africa may be received in the history of mankind. And let me have this golden opportunity to extend the congratulations